When a tropical storm rolls in, the heavy rain outside can suddenly become an active emergency right inside your living room. Here in Mount Pleasant, coastal wind gusts hit your home at sharp angles. This wind-driven rain forces water straight under your shingles, through gaps in the flashing, and across your attic framing before finally dripping through the ceiling. The first 30 minutes of an active leak dictate how much secondary damage your property takes. You can manage this critical window and protect your interior without ever stepping foot outside. To execute this response, you need a few common household items: large storage bins, dry towels, plastic sheeting or trash bags, your smartphone, and a small screwdriver. By organizing a rapid interior defense, you isolate the water damage immediately, saving thousands of dollars in repairs, all while avoiding the unacceptable risk of a fatal fall from a wet ladder in the middle of a storm. Step 1. Clear the hazard zone. Evacuate children, pets, and anyone with mobility concerns away from the active leak and any visibly sagging drywall. That sagging drywall can hold a heavy pool of water above it for a period of time, but it will eventually fail and release that weight all at once. Keep everyone completely clear of a swollen ceiling. Step 2. Identify electrical risks. Check your ceiling fans, recessed lights, and outlets. If water is dripping near any of these fixtures, you have a severe electrical hazard. Go to your electrical panel. If the panel and the floor around it are completely dry, flip the breaker to shut off power to that specific room. If there is standing water near the panel, leave the area immediately. Never test wet light switches to see if they still work, and do not try to unplug appliances or electronics while standing on a wet floor. Securing human safety and preventing an electrical fire take absolute priority. Only after those risks are neutralized can we move on to containing the water. Now we contain the drip. Place your largest plastic storage totes or deep buckets directly beneath the active leak. Totes work much better than small buckets because a spreading drip will easily miss a narrow opening. To prevent dirty water from splashing out and hitting the bottom of an empty bin, place a dry, folded towel inside. This absorbs the impact and keeps the surrounding floor dry. If water is running directly down a wall, tape a plastic trash bag to the wall just above your baseboard. Angle the bottom of the bag straight into your container to funnel the water away from your trim. Next, pull any rugs off the floor and cover your large furniture with plastic shower liners or tarps. In our high coastal humidity, trapped moisture ruins fabrics and wood finishes quickly. This rapid containment catches the active drops and breaks the water's pathway. Doing this immediately stops moisture from soaking into absorptive materials, saving your hardwood flooring from swelling and permanent structural damage. Step 3 is controlled relief. If a bubble is forming in your ceiling and it is completely clear of any electrical fixtures, place a bucket underneath it. Take a small screwdriver and create a tiny puncture at the absolute lowest point of the bulge so the water can drain. Warning tone: do not poke a large hole or press hard against blistered paint. Water-filled paint can burst, and a massive hole will trigger a messy, dangerous ceiling collapse. Keep the puncture tiny. Step 4 is documentation. Once the water is caught and the room is secure, pull out your smartphone. You need to record the active leak while it's actually happening in real time. Start by taking wide photos of the entire room to establish the location. Then take medium shots showing your containment setup and protected furniture. Finally, record short, close-up videos of the actual water dripping from the ceiling. This is a map from the National Hurricane Center tracking severe atmospheric storm patterns. Be sure to take screenshots of local weather alerts and storm warnings like these to prove the exact weather conditions to your insurance adjuster. Never climb onto your roof during the storm. Wet shingles become slick in seconds, and even a properly placed ladder slips under high winds. Capturing clear, comprehensive proof of the water intrusion from the safety of your living room turns a chaotic emergency into a highly organized, easily processed insurance claim. You have successfully secured the room. The water is actively contained, your electricity is shut off safely, your valuables are protected, and you have exactly the evidence your insurance company needs. But your home is still highly vulnerable. The structural breach on your roof is completely open to the weather, and hidden moisture is soaking into your attic insulation with every minute that passes. Living among the marshlands and tidal creeks of the Low Country means heavy rains are constantly compounded by intense coastal humidity and high winds, demanding a fast, professional exterior response. Your interior defense bought you vital time and saved your property. Now, to fully stop the bleeding, contact MasterRoof Mount Pleasant for 24/7 emergency tarping and let the professionals secure your roof before the next storm band hits.